Hey guys, my name is Rayona and welcome back to my channel. To start my braid pattern, I use Shining Jam on my roots and Cream of Nature argan oil throughout my hair. Then I parted my hair down the middle, creating two ponytails. This is a section of hair I'll use for my first braid. I start braiding in the middle of my head because it helps me to keep my braids even on both sides of my hair. Next, I put the Shining Jam on my roots and the argan oil throughout the rest of my hair. Then I just start braiding. When I get to the bottom of the braid, I connect it to the previous one like so. So I'm unraveling that braid a little so that I can braid it in with this next braid. The last braid on this side I connect as well, but I just braid it all the way down. When I'm finished, the braid pattern looks like this, and I have two braids hanging down. So I use my sewing needle and thread to sew these two braids down in the back of my head. This hair is from the Cuckoo store on Amazon. It's their 14-inch synthetic goddess box braids. The hair is color number 53, so it starts as black, then transitions to brown, and then blonde. It comes with 8 packs of hair, 16 pre-looped box braids in each pack for a total of 128, and each braid has at least 2 curly strands of hair, one in the middle of the braid and one at the end. Some of the braids do have 3 curly strands of hair, so it varies, but for the most part, all of the braids are an even size and the curls are fairly soft. The hair also comes with rubber bands and a crochet hook. To crochet the hair, I use a box braid and the crochet hook. I open up the pre-loop. Then I insert the crochet hook underneath the braid where I want to place the crochet hair. I grab the pre-loop with the crochet hook and pull it through. I remove the crochet hook and I take the goddess braid and pull it through the pre-loop and tighten it. I also just gently pull the curls apart so they're not matted together. And I space the goddess braids about a finger length apart from one another. And I decided that I'll mainly wear a side part. So when I got to the last 2 rows, I spaced the goddess braids really close together, almost on top of one another, so that I could hide the braid really well. When I was done, I trimmed the ends a little to even the hair out. And this is the final look. I think the hair looks great, but a few things I want to note is that I did use all of the goddess box braids to do this style, and I didn't like the pre-loops. They were a little too loose and didn't tighten well, and sometimes the box braid was a little hard to pull through the pre-loop if it was too small. And this is what the sides look like. Now, I don't like how the part turned out. I tried to do a simpler braid pattern and realized I didn't know how to make the part look natural that way, if that makes sense. So I just crocheted the box braids closer together. I prefer to do another braid pattern, which I'll link a video of in the description. But I like the way this part looks better than the one that I had initially created. So this is probably the way I'd wear the style. But I think the ombre hair is cute and the curls are pretty neat and uniformed. Also, it took me about 3.5 hours to braid and crochet the hair. So guys, let me know what you thought about these goddess box braids, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know any other type of styles you want to see from me, and thanks for watching.